Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the clash error for League of Legends. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is just simply find League of Legends on your desktop, right click on it, and hit properties. From properties, make your way over to compatibility and go ahead and check the run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and go ahead and also check the run this program as an administrator box. Once you go ahead and check those two boxes, hit apply and then hit OK, and then you can go ahead and start up League of Legends. This is one method to fix the error code. The second method you guys can do is by fully restarting League of Legends, and you can do this by opening up the task manager, because sometimes, you can open up the task manager by either just searching it up in the search bar or just hitting Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time. But anyway, sometimes you X out of League of Legends, but it's not fully closed, so you actually have to go into the task manager and you have to find it by just typing in League of Legends and then right clicking on it and hitting end task. That is how to restart an app properly. You can go ahead and restart it and then launch it back, and then the error code should also be fixed. Now once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. You can always try restarting your PC as well. And that is it for the video, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.